everyone, today we're going to learn on bar lines and time signatures. So if you're excited, do come along with me and let's learn on these few topics.
Time signature. Time signature indicates how many beats or counts are to be contained in each bar. It is often written at the start of a music piece. We will be learning about 3 time signature today. The first being 2/4, which is 2 beats in a bar or 2 counts in a measure. Next, 3/4. 3/4 is known as 3 beats in a bar or 3 counts in a measure. And 4/4, which is 4 beats in a bar or 4 counts in a measure. 2/4, or as we know it as 2 beats in a measure, can comprise of a minim or 2 crotchets or a mix of 1 crotchet, 1 quaver and 2 semi-quaver, or even 2 quavers and 4 semi-quavers. 3/4, or as you know it as 3 beats in a measure, can be made up of a crotchet and a minim or 3 crotchets. 4/4, or as we know it as 4 beats in a measure, can be made up of a semi-brief, 2 minims, or it can be made up of a mixture of 2 crotchets and 4 quavers, or even 4 crotchets.
So after knowing the time signature, how do I know when to play the music and how the music pieces are being divided? What do I have to use?
Bar lines. Bar lines are present to make it readable for musicians. These are lines that divide music pieces into parts.
So bar lines are the ones that help to divide the music into pieces, into different parts, using the time signature and counting.
Now it's time for challenge. There are 5 levels to this challenge, and in each level there is a different requirement, and you just need to follow the requirement given to you. Challenge level 1. This stage requires you to clap the rhythm while counting the beats out loud. So let's do this together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Challenge level 2. Challenge level 2 requires you to write the count below the notes, then clap the rhythm. So in this stage, step 1, look at the time signature given to you and write the numbers and the count below the notes. Now, once you're done with that, let's clap the rhythm given to us. Go and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Challenge number 3. This challenge requires us to write the time signature for the tune, write the count below the notes, and then clap the rhythm. So let's try this. Step 1. Take a look at the tune that is given to you. Write down the time signature. Okay, in order to do so, you need to know the number of counts it has. And after which, write down the counts below it. And lastly, let's clap it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Challenge number 4. In this challenge, it requires us to write the time signature of the tune, write the count below the notes, draw the missing bar line, and clap the rhythm at the end. Let's try this together. Take a look at the tune that's provided for you. A sample bar line is actually written down for you as well. So looking at the first bar, we will be able to tell how many counts there is. And using what you have learned, what do you think the time signature would be? If your answer is 4/4, you are right. Write the time signature at the front next to the clef. Next, we write the counts below each note that is provided. And then adding in the missing bar lines. Once you're done, let's clap this rhythm that you have created and count as we clap. Go and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Challenge number 5. This level, it requires you to write the count below the notes, draw the missing bar line, and clap the rhythm. So what is given to you is the time signature. The time signature would tell you how many counts this tune has. Now, write the counts below the notes. Include the bar lines and the double bar line that may be missing at the end of the tune. Let's clap the rhythm together. 1, 2, ready, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
Is there any more to challenge me?
Challenge number 6. Write down the count below the notes and draw the missing bar lines. So similar with the previous challenge, look at the time signature, then write the counts. The tricky thing about 2 counts is that normally you will count with an N inside, a plus. So this is how you will write it below the bar line. And once you're done, include the bar line and the double bar line. So let's clap the rhythm together. 1 and 2 and 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 1 and 2 and. For quavers, it goes a little faster, and hence you will need to clap a little faster. Let's try this again. 1 and 2 and 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 1 and 2. Challenge number 7. Similar to challenge 5 and 6, it requires us to write the count below the notes, draw the missing bar line, and then clap the rhythm. So let's look at the time signature given to us. It is 3/4. So in this case, we will have to write only 3 notes, 1, 2, 3 counts below the notes. Once we are done so, add the missing bar line and let's clap it together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Did you notice there was an additional note added into the rhythm in challenge 7?
Yes, I saw it. What is that?
This note is known as the dotted minim. Dotted minim is made up of a minim and a crotchet, which is half of a minim. So whenever you see a dot behind a note, it is half of the whole note.
Now I think I'm better. and knowing the time signature, the bar lines, and the challenges that I just took. What about you? Can you remember the time signatures that you've learned? There are 3 of them. And can you remember why the bar lines are used in music? And lastly, can you also remember the different places to put the bar lines and how to count it before the bar line is being put in? We have come to the end of our session for today. Till the next time I see you, bye-bye!